Juan, and again, this is your UAAP Season 75 Women's Volleyball game, a match between the University of the Philippines against the University of the East. Good afternoon, volleyball fans. This is Noreen Go together with Anne Remulla bringing you this hot volleyball action. Well, for those who just joined us, UP actually won the first set, and they are leading here in the second set, 8-5.
Masangkay is trying to trim down that lead of UP.
So when you look at the build of Masangkay, maganda yung build niya for a setter. Very similar to that of Janet Serafica.
Oh, that's right. Yes,
of Adamson.
Lean, actually slim but lean.
And parang long limbs, no?
Oh, service error here. Again for UE.
Bersola, now serving from UP.
But UE, what's really plaguing them right now is their unforced errors. And we kept saying that since the first set. And second set is no different for them.
Oh, look at that. Two players going at that reception. Pero yun lang, it's just a classic case really of saying mine, just communicating inside the court to see who will get it. And
that was Nebrida and Sarmiento, their libero. Of course, the libero has to be more aggressive, of saying mine. But communication still not there for UE. Dawis read well. Wow, that was Bersola. Off the blockers. Good chase by UE. Bersola again. UE read that well.
Bulan sends that one out.
Asking for a check. And at this point, we'd like to turn you over to Kat Salo for some scoop, some chismis on UE. Hi, Kat.
Hi, Noreen and Anne. The UE Lady Warriors played a Lady Maroons game in that first set, and Coach Boy reminded them that in these following sets, they have to play for UE and hindi para sa UP. He pointed out that the girls have to receive better, not just because a lot of UP points came from that unmanned center area, but also kung walang solid receive, walang solid palo. The girls need to anticipate that the spikes of UP are pahaba at hindi patulis and pababa. And Coach Boy said that dahil nakukuha ng UP Lady Maroons ang palo nila, daanan na lang nila sa bulag or surprise spike. Noreen?
That's right. Thanks, Kat. We were talking about it earlier. I'm sure Coach Boy realized that, that UP is getting a lot of points with in that center of that UE defense.
That's right. And I guess the attacks of UE are just becoming very predictable here for UP.
Another attack error by all.
Let's see, though, if they can change that.
That's right, and Ong, her second consecutive hitting error. So UP at this point, they should not fall into that, I was gonna say, no, fall into, committing a string of errors. But UE obviously giving it back to them with another service error.
UP.
It's been how many service errors just here in the second set for UE. So pag binilang nila yan mamaya, of course, all these are wasted points.
That's right. Good dig. Free ball there for UE. Masangkay.
Oh, nobody there to get that second ball. Masangkay, of course, is tasked to set a second ball. If Del Mundo receives it, look at this. Del Mundo digging it up. Masangkay unable to get to that ball.
Actually, that was Mangulabnan.
Mangulabnan, rather.
So they're parang UP's playing something like a 6-2 sort of...
Well, Mangulabnan is the utility attacker, so naturally she would
be the second option.
Yeah.
That's right. So another point for UE, and now UP wants to talk it over.
Okay, actually, nakakuha naman natin kahit papalo. Naging problem yung offense natin. Aliyah, okay? Huwag may force mangyayari kapag gano'n, off na ngayon yung set. Okay? Kasi pwede ka mag-placing, ang laki-laki ng area nila sa middle Ngayon sabi natin, di ba? Go, drop ball or off speed. Okay, hindi mo kailangan pilitin. Ha? Sige, tapos gano'n din, ang kailangan mangyari. So, anytime mangyayari, pwede tayo No, dalawa muna na open, magkabilang side. Okay, so aim mo, kapag walang first ball, dalawa. Pwede ngayon mangyayari kasi naabangan na rin siya dito ni Manggawis. Para sa open. Tara.
Well, Coach Gerald Hubalde reminding Ong that you have other options. We can see that earlier on that was Coach Roger Gorayev.
Of course, also watching out for their other opponents.
He was really busy yesterday. 5 sets.
I heard it was a very exciting match.
Both matches, actually. The first match was between NU and Adamson. Adamson prevailing in 5, and then it was Ateneo against FEU. Ateneo prevailing also in 5. But back to the play, UE. Good dig there. Se.
This is what we've been saying about the digs. Most are really given exactly where Del Mundo is.
That's right. That makes her life a lot easier, and the options are more when you give the setter a good first ball.
Substitution, UE, 1 out for
Well, Coach Boyer now brings in Ponon, second setter for UE. Oh, good serve. Nebrida, the good read, but Se, you gotta give credit to Se and Bersola, right? They're really just lording it over there in the net, taking full advantage of their height. Ong now at the back, Ponon. Nebrida, Se.
Oh, mga Labnan is under the ball. She knew it.
But you gotta, even with that there, you gotta love her attitude. Talaga she went for it. Yun yung sinasabi naman ni Coach Boy, that's what's lacking in this UE squad. The captain, Dawis. Again. And how many times will UP score in that center of the UE defense? But UP leading 16-11, and this is our Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.